The past 2 years, Filmora users have been trying to communicate just one thing to Filmora team. People waited patiently for the release of Filmora 15, hoping to see the 3D camera feature in there. But guess what? There was nothing. But hey, this video is not about our rough past. I actually have some news today in trying to redeem themselves from users' furious 3D feature requests. Filmora team released a series of features just to bring some sense of 3D visuals. This first 3D attempt release was only providing the rotate, tilt, and the zoom, which after twisting them around, you could actually realize this was just a false illusion of the actual 3D visuals. Nevertheless, they made it better and released a corner pin effect. This was at least giving you more control over your footage, providing you with all 4 corners control. This was much more better, but well, not exactly what people wanted. As you can see, there is a lot of work, and there are other things that this feature cannot actually do in the 3D space. Well, Filmora didn't stop there. In this latest update, they have decided to give you templates, 3D templates. Under the templates table, right here, you can see a couple of templates that you can try to use, like depth split, split arc slide in, and so forth. Now again, this is not a 3D feature. It's just Filmora's efforts to compensate for what is supposed to have done by now. Because a template is something that forces you to create only to a certain extent. You can't exercise your creativity under a template because the boundaries are already set. Now, while I was trying to show people these new 3D templates, this is also a reminder to Filmora team that we still need the 3D camera feature. Because guess what? We are dying every day in the competition, and we don't know how else we can do it. Now, thanks my friends for watching this video, and until I meet you in the next one, peace.